Hi Math Department, I want to show you how to add students to your rosters in IXL. The very first step is once you've logged in, look for the arrow next to your name. Pulls down a drop-down menu, you're going to want to click Roster. Under Roster, you'll have the opportunity to start adding students. I've already added 2, but I'll show you how to start adding more. One thing I want to point out is it does ask for a student ID number. And since we don't have easy access to the students' actual ID numbers at Wasatch, I've just assigned numbers to my students, and in order to make this easier for all of us so that we don't overlap in the numbers we choose, I chose 4-digit numbers, and I'll send these in email too, but I'm going to take the numbers 000 through 0049. Carrie, you've got 100 through 199 with zeros in front. John, 200 through 299 with zeros in front. Karen, 50 through 99 with zeros in front. Jaren, 300 through 399. And Zeb, 400 through 499. Okay, so when I go to add a student, it's pretty simple. I just have to put in their last name, so my next one is going to be Sophia Jessie. So type in Jessie. Sophia, I'm going to give her the ID number 0002, and then her email address. All the student emails end in wastudent.org, and then it will assign a username and password for the student. One thing to notice that the students are going to mess up all the time is their username ends in @WasatchAcademy, but no .org. They're always going to try to type .org, and that's not correct. And it also assigns a password. When you've entered, and then you just hit save when you're done. When you've got your whole list of students, you can email them, and it will send them their password and their username. And you should tell them to star this email so that they can always come back to it. And that's about it. This way you can continue adding students throughout the year. I think that if you have the students actually type this in on the first day of class, just pull them over for 30 seconds. It'll save you a little bit of work. You probably won't be using IXL in the first week of school anyway. So that's all I've got to say about rosters. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.